Lafarge barge in. Starting. So we're gonna see. There's a police boat. They have the power. Okay, I'm gonna pan to the Otter leaving the dock, the Empress Hotel in the background. The yellow whale watching boat you can see is, I think, what one's the yellow one, Jared? I believe it is Prince of Wales. Yes, it is. I should know that. There are quite a few whale watching companies in Victoria. I would go to any single one of them, same with these floats. I would get in any of these airplanes. I would take any mode of transportation Victoria had to offer. Horse and carriage, pedicab, rickshaw, Uber, taxi, bus, bike, roller skates. Oh wait, there's cars too. Airplanes. There's no trains here. Which is sad, there should be. Windy. It's really windy. That airplane will get lift off somewhat quick because it's breezy. Okay, it's not breezy, it's windy. Oh, I can smell the fuel. Oh, wind blowing in just the right direction. Probably get a little bit of the spray too from where I am. Oh, there's a seagull that it's just about go time. That yellow marker, I'm just going to pan around to it. That yellow marker, oh, that's a paddle boarder. That marker right there to the far right, that is go. And the paddleboarder will feel the spray when the plane departs. I might even from where I am. If the Harbour Patrol saw that paddleboarder where he is now, they would lose it. Alright, that's go spot. That's my favorite go spot. So pretty. It is beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Channel, welcome. Please leave a thumbs up, leave a positive comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and for my returning viewers, you know I'm ever so grateful for your support. It's really windy. Here comes a water taxi. I'm going to film it. Oh, I get in a wave. Woo! Here's another one. I said to someone I would film, so I'm going to go back to this one. Oh, it is. There's Big Al. Big Al. Woo! They're going to Fisherman's Wharf for pirate pizza. The little guy was hungry. I said, well, you should do the smart thing and grab a water taxi and go to Fisherman's Wharf to pirate pizza or whatever restaurant you feel like at Fisherman's Wharf. I forgot to tell him about Jackson's ice cream because it's really good. So I'll just keep the camera on them till I can't see them anymore, which won't be long because Fisherman's Wharf's just over there. Big Al from Toronto. It was nice to meet you. I hope you tell your friends that was your little water taxi ride. Thanks for coming to Victoria. BC, welcome, means bring cash. So I've been told. And they'll duck out of sight pretty soon. They're just about out of sight. As soon as you can't see the Canadian flag anymore.